Hey, welcome back, folks. This is Janet Hall, your trainer, and today I'm going to teach you how to create and configure your email account in Outlook. So we're in Outlook. We're going to go File, click on File, and right here, Add Account. And we just come through here and put in our information. This is, I'm going to do a test. Here's my email address. Oops. Okay, this is my email address for my yougottalookatthis.com. We type in our password, we retype it, okay, and then we're going to manually configure the server settings, okay, so we click that and we say next, and we've got internet email, connect to POP, so we're going to say next. All right, so we send in this information, and here's our POP3. And for HostGator, that's your hosting company. At least if you work with me, that's your hosting company. If you don't, you have to ask your hosting company. But it's generally mail dot and then your URL address. So mine's you gotta look at this.com. Outgoing mail server, SMTP dot. And this is whoever you use to get on the internet. I use Comcast. So I'll type in comcast.net. It helps if you spell it correctly. Okay. And if you're not sure what to put in here, you have to call your internet service provider. Login information, again, your username is going to be your email address, so I'm just going to go get that and put that in there and type in my password again for getting into my email. I say remember password, and then I can test my account settings, make sure it's working properly, and it did. And now we want to go to more settings, okay? So let's go into the outgoing server. Comcast and perhaps your internet provider also will require outgoing server. SMTP will require you to authenticate who you are. So you click that on, you're going to log on using, and then you're going to put in your password, your username and your password that your internet provider, such as Comcast, has given you to log in to their area. And the next thing we want to look at is advanced. Our incoming server, POP303, is generally 110. But your outgoing server, SMTP, will probably be different than what is set here. You must call your internet provider, in my case it's Comcast, and they'll give me the number that I need to put in here. Now, what you need to tell them is that you are downloading your email from your website into Outlook. And you need to know your outgoing server server port number. Now this right here is not really important, but it is. I usually say remove my email from the server after 5 days. Or if I'm at home, I might not leave a copy on my server at all. You have to go clean this stuff up, folks. You just can't leave your email on your server forever. It will fill up and you'll run out of bandwidth or quota, whatever you want to call it. Some people call it quota, some people call it bandwidth. It's really the quota that is assigned to you of how much email you can get. And if you're going to go on travel, then you might want to change this and then change it back. So we click OK when we're finished. It wants me to fill out the information, but I'm pretending like I did, okay? So that's basically it. Once you get all that set up, now your email from your website will automatically download into Outlook. Okay, well, this is Janet Hall, your trainer on yougottalookatthis.com, and until next time, keep on learning. Well, folks, this concludes today's video lesson, and I sure hope you found what you were looking to learn. For more information about my services as a trainer, virtual webmaster, and web developer, please visit yougottalookatthis.com and be sure to sign up for our blog post notifications so you never miss another lesson. I'm your trainer, Janet Hall. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep on learning.